Special Forces. Now being loaded. Raising just is started with a special forces break quickly restart running by the rail comes Blush of Rose mapaghinala comes next then followed by Magical Bell then next online is Lady Claire then followed now by number 6 Jet Setter Slim while Director's Hunter is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn now we have Blush of Rose now takes command by about 3 lengths mapaghinala in second then in third comes is Special Forces running by the rail comes Magical Bell then followed by Lady Claire alongside Jet Setter Slim while Director's Hunter is still in last. Back to the leader, we have Blush of Rose enjoying a length and a half lead. Magical Bell in second, mapaghinala is Special Forces. Jet Setter Slim comes next, then followed now by Lady Claire while Director's Hunter is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Blush of Rose enjoying a length and a half lead. Moving up now, it is Jet Setter Slim running by the release mapaghinala as they swing to home. The lead now belongs to Jet Setter Slim by about 2 lengths mapaghinala is on the outside last 100 meters. Jet Setter Slim mapaghinala moves up and finally it's mapaghinala Jet Setter Slim then comes Blush of Rose.
Bayan Kalirista for your race number 5. Ang ganda no, no? Numero 5, mapaghinala ang inyo pong unofficial winner at yung pinaka-dihado dito kanina, yung numero 6, Jet Setter Slim po ang masisegundo. Nandiyan na nila numero 4, Blush of Rose, 7, Special Forces para sa inyong quartet. So it's 5, 6, 4, 7 ang ating unofficial placing. Muli po natin balikan ang